This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the picture where you want it, open Word, insert the image, and position it on the page. Next, insert a text box and type the words you want over the picture. Use the layout options to set the image and text box relationships, behind text or in front, which gives you immediate control. Make sure to pick a contrasting font and size now. It saves time later when you fine-tune colors and effects. Once the text box is in place, format it so your words stand out. You can pick a clear font and size, then choose color and add bold or an outline to increase contrast. Next, set the text box fill to none or use semi-transparent color to create overlay effects without hiding the image. Use shadow, glow, or outline effects sparingly to improve legibility on busy photos. Make sure to align and distribute text precisely so it reads naturally over the pic. To finish, select the picture and text box, then group them so the layout stays intact when you move it. Save your work as a Word document for edits, and if you need a single image file, use Export or Save As and choose PNG or JPEG. If the text disappears, make sure the text box is brought to the front and check transparency settings. Also increase contrast or add an outline. If alignment shifts, ungroup briefly, nudge elements, and regroup before saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.